Hi everyone, I am Dr. Raj. I am very happy to interact with you all through this video. In this video, I am going to detail a concept titled telemarketing. These are all a couple of details related to my career. After you watch the full video, if you find the video useful to you, give a like to the video and do subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications of my future videos. Definition of telemarketing. Telemarketing is the act of selling, soliciting or promoting a product or service over the telephone. The telephone is the most cost efficient, flexible and statistically accountable medium available. At the same time, the telephone is still very intimate and personal. It is individual to individual. Let's look into the meaning of telemarketing. Telemarketing is the process of using the telephone to generate the leads, make sales or gather marketing information. Telemarketing can be a valuable tool for small businesses in that it saves time and money as compared with the personal selling, but offers many of the same benefits in terms of direct contact with the customers. Telemarketing is especially useful when the customers for a small business products or services are located in hard to reach places, or when many prospects must be contacted in order to find the one who is interested in making a purchase. Although some small businesses operate exclusively by telephone, telemarketing is most often used as part of the overall marketing program to tie together advertising and personal selling efforts of a business enterprise. For example, a company might send introductory information through the email, then follow up with the telemarketing call to assess the prospect's interest, and finally send a salesperson to visit the point of the customers. Now let's look into the types of telemarketing. Telemarketing can be either inbound or outbound. What is the meaning of inbound telemarketing? It consists of handling incoming telephone calls, often generated by broadcast advertising or direct mail or catalogs, and taking orders for a wide range of products. The representatives working in this type of telemarketing program normally do not need as much training as the outbound telemarketing representatives. What is the meaning of outbound telemarketing? It can be aimed directly at the end consumer. For example, a home repair business may call people to search for prospects and customers. Representatives working on this side of the industry generally require more training and product knowledge, as more actual selling is involved in comparison with that of inbound operations. The next concept to be discussed is advantages of telemarketing. The first advantage is human interaction. One of the advantages telemarketing has over other direct marketing methods is that it involves more human interaction between the seller and the prospects. The second advantage of telemarketing is small businesses. The advantages small businesses enjoy. Telemarketing can be a particularly valuable tool for small businesses in that it saves time and money as compared to personal selling, but offers many of the same benefits in terms of direct contact with the customers. The third advantage is customer service. Telemarketing customer services can gain repeat orders and increase the penetration of the customer base. Telemarketing has the advantages of delivering excellent customer service. Perhaps building a loyal client base is the fundamental factor in establishing a long-term business success and increasing the value of the company. The fourth advantage is reduces cost. As the cost of field sales continue to escalate, businesses are using telemarketing as a way to reduce the cost of selling. It is also easier to communicate with the customers over telephones. Most of the marketing efforts are directed towards select markets. So the cost per person contacted is less in the case of telemarketing. Flexibility is the next advantage of telemarketing. It is the most flexible form of direct marketing. It helps in knowing and understanding what customers want and are prepared to buy. Survey can be conducted with the advantages of telemarketing. Knowing what customers are looking for, the product or service, the brand, etc., one can constantly update the client database maintained by the business enterprises. The next one is about response measurement. Response measurement is possible by knowing the effectiveness of advertising. The results can be compared with the ones previously established, and the future plans can be based on such results. The next topic to be discussed here is limitations. Number one, an increasing number of people have become averse to telemarketing. Since the people are getting unwanted calls from many sources of businesses, people tend to averse attending calls from unknown sources. Number two, no visual contact with the customer is possible. Obviously, visual contact, visual interaction with the customers is more effective than non-visual contact with them. The third one is about more people are using technology to screen out unwanted callers, particularly telemarketers. The fourth limitation is government is implementing tougher measures to curb unscrupulous telemarketers. The fifth limitation is if hiring an outside firm to do telemarketing, there is lesser control in the process, given that the people doing the calls are not your employees. The sixth point of consideration here is a telephone conversation has a very short memory for all the people in general. The seventh one is about pre-purchase inspection of goods is not possible. When people wanted to have pre-purchase inspection of selective products which are very costlier, which are durable products or shopping products, definitely that is not permitted, or there is no provision for such pre-purchase inspection by the consumers. The eighth limitation is it can be extremely expensive, particularly if telemarketing is outsourced to an outside firm. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in another video. Bye for now, everyone.